Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll find slope of lines from given graphs. Let's start with the first graph. In the first graph, we have to find the slope of this black line. We can find the slope of this line by identifying two exact points that lie on this line and then using the coordinates of those 2 points to find the slope using slope formula. An exact point is a point whose coordinates can be identified exactly from the given graph. One exact point that lies on this line is 0, 0 or origin. This line passes through the origin. Another exact point that lies on this line is one close to the top end. It's 3, 5. We can write down the coordinates of these 2 points. So the first point is 0, 0 and the second point is 3, 5. Now we can write the slope formula which we'll use to find the slope of this line. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this formula, x1, x2, y1 and y2 are coordinates of 2 points that lie on the line. We can label one of the 2 points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. We can label either of these 2 points as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y2. The final answer will be the same. Now we can sub in these values in the slope formula. y2 is 5, y1 is 0, x2 is 3, x1 is 0. The slope of this line is 5 over 3. This should be the final answer for the first line. Now we can analyze the second line. The first step is to identify two exact points that lie on the line. One exact point on this line is this point. The coordinates are -1, -1. Another exact point on this line is this one. The coordinates of this point are 2, 1. We can use any two exact points that lie on this line. The final answer will be the same. Now we can write the coordinates of these 2 points. Now we can write the slope formula. We can label the first point as x1, y1 and the other point as x2, y2. Now we can sub in the values. y2 is 1, y1 is -1, x2 is 2, x1 is -1. In the numerator, minus -1 is equivalent to +1. In the denominator, minus -1 is equivalent to +1. I get m equals 2 over 3. This is the slope of the second line. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to find slope of line from graph using slope formula. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.